Let's fire those sirens up, guys. Hello, YouTube. I hope all y'all are doing well. It's terrible what happened in London. If anybody that watches my channel is affected by that shooter, my heart goes out to you. My family will be praying for you. I couldn't believe that that happened, especially this close to home. Well, it's September the 8th, 2024. This is our fourth dig, I think. First one was a rain out. Anyway, hopefully we can find some good sign today. Let's get back there and get it. And God bless you all. And pray for the people of Kentucky that need it right now. Some crazy stuff going on in London. Well, we've been walking forever. Finally found some. Got a 3-prong. Another little 3-prong. The prong broke. The 3-prong here. Then we got a 3-prong here. A baby that we got to take care of and make sure we don't damage it. Let's check the age first and see if we want them. Pretty dry looking in through here. I really wasn't expecting to see any, but I'm heading around that point. Remember what I told y'all about these points, though, to always kind of check them. So let's check the age of these. See what we got. Well, in the process of checking the age, where they're on rocks, they pretty much just come right up out of the ground. Not a lot of room for them to grow. Probably just going to come out with your hands. That one did. We didn't even have to bother the 3-leaf. So that was pretty good. Let's see what this has got. It's probably back in a bunch of rocks, too. I mean, they're decent roots, don't get me wrong. They just don't have no dirt to grow in. Just what leaves cover them up. But I found some big roots back in this holler before. It was about 10 years ago that I'd been back in here. So that's a nice one. Save my top so I can make tea. So anyway, guys, let's move on to the next ones. Some of these might actually get planted back in the yard. I don't know. All right, guys. I seen Rick Johnson at the gas station. He's a local ginseng buyer. Well, his boy is. And Rick was telling me how people's talking about things in real bad shape that it's not going to hold. And I told him I'd seen a few yellow ones, and there is some more. I mean, I usually don't find yellow thing this early. Not like that. That's October, late October finding right there. Look up on that cliff rock. There's more of it up there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's one. There's one. There's one. There's a big one. I mean, y'all see that big one right there? I guess you all see it. I hope y'all see it. But it is odd to find them like that, yellow like that, and hit the 8th of September. I mean, seriously, guys. Y'all better get out and get it while you can. If you don't, it's going to be gone. Justin, if you're watching this, you might not want to wait until the 23rd of September to come in. It might be really gone by then, buddy. Trying to see what the age is on this. That's not too hot. Let's check this one up here. Thing about these cliffs rocks, sometimes you get good sized roots, sometimes you don't. Oh, now there's a nice one. Looks like it's doing the splits. Doing the splits, guys. Woo! You can come out with some odd roots like that. This ain't old for nothing. We're going to cover it back up. Leave it be. Get on up here to the next one. See how old it is. Y'all see that big one now up there? Big old tree up there. Let's see. I'll set that same root right there on that rock. Let me clean the debris out. It's a decent little patch. Got a baby here we gotta watch. Is that little baby two-prong? Yeah. Oh, here's a baby three-leaf. We'll have to probably relocate it for sure. It's kind of in the way. We might can get around doing that. I just need to get in here and check his age. All I'm trying to do is check the age. Hold on, digger. Don't fall. I tell you, I hate this time of year. I hate leaving my wife at home. All that. I don't get to spend a lot of time with her as it is. Okay, this one's got good curl on it. Got some good age on it. I'd rather get it out by hand. That way I don't have to bother. I think it's under that rock. God, what a water root. Finally got it out. Cover them back up. Whew, my calves are burning. Got one here laying down. Prongs broke all the far on it. Leave him over here on the rock. And we got this one inside this tree. Is this the one I couldn't get out 10 years ago? I seriously remember a root that I could not get out of a tree back in here. I hunted this years ago, like I said, when I lived down here. Piece of cohosh wrapped up in it. That's just great. Oh, did we break it? Is it in the cohosh? What's going on here? That root is inside that piece of cohosh. That's just great. Y'all ever seen anything like that? Huh? Black cohosh ginseng mix. Crazy. Growed right up inside it. I hope I got that on camera. I really do. Oh, I gotta get turned back around. Phew, steep place. I tell you, steep. Quiet though. Ain't nobody around, that's for sure. I'm gonna stop this for a minute and get my backpack off. Get these roots in and we'll go on up. Alright, I wanted to get that backpack off. This one is broke. Boy, I got lucky to even find this one. Something has broke this. It's got 3 tops. Y'all see that? 1, 2, 3 tops from last year. And then this year's top. I bet this is a nice root right here. Should be anyway. Unless it's just crammed up in these logs. Now this really might be the one I left years ago. I found a root years ago. And I had to leave it because it was sumped up in this tree. I couldn't do nothing with it. Couldn't get it out. Nothing. And back then, I had screwdrivers. I packed all kinds of stuff in my backpack back then to help me dig sane out with. And that's a nice little tater. And I could not get it out. And I wasn't going to damage it. And I said, well, little sane root, I'll tell you what. I'll come back in a few years and see if you're still here and if you've made any babies. And I said, hopefully the tree will rot down enough to where I can finally get to you. Sure enough, this might be it. I mean, and that's no joke. No lie. Decent little tater. Finish getting that stem off. Show you guys what we've gathered up so far today. Not much. That's what we found. But every little bit adds up. We got one more 3-prong to get right here. And I guess we'll go around this way and up and see if there's anything else on this point. Oh, give me your berries. You actually got berries. I about forgot about that. Remember what I told you about the berries? Scratch the ground up, throw them in it, Cover it with leaves. The point of that is to give it like a natural planting method, I guess is what you'd say. Because that's what happens to the plant. They would turn yellow and fall to the ground, and leaves cover them up. Leaves turn to dirt. Ginseng gets planted. It actually takes 2 years, guys, to see a 3-leaf. That's why you got to leave stuff behind, like that little one I left behind down there. You know, if they've not got a certain age to them, I don't want them. I mean, not unless somebody just says, hey, I need to buy just some Ginseng, you know, something like that. And that was when I was a licensed buyer. Then I would get some Ginseng for them if I was having to dig it out myself. But a lot of diggers don't fool with it. Bulb roots and stuff like that, which is the round ones. Now those around here don't get real big. Sometimes they do, but most of the time our bulb roots ain't very big at all. So, but I do collect those. You know, they say the Chinese love those bulb roots. So as long as those are at least legal age to dig, which is 5 years, I'll dig a bulb root. So, well, there was that patch. So let's get on up here and see what else we can find. Justin, this is a message for you. If you're going to come to Harlan and sing with me, you might want to really come before September 23rd. I am on an east-facing ridge. It's the 8th of September, 1 week in the ginseng season. And these mountains are getting bare. I've done found it yellow, dead. It's a year. Rick Johnson said he's never seen it like this. That he can't never remember it being this bad. So you might want to consider coming early. The dash for the cash is going to end soon, my friend. We either got a person or a bear out there. It's a bear. I got a black bear on me. Hey, bear. If there's a cub up here, there's a mama. Whew. See, baby, this is why I don't like packing food. I don't even have no food. He's over in that gully, guys. I knowed it was a bear or a person. I knowed it was one or the damn other. I should tear them trees down. Well, I'm going to have to put my pistol on my side, unfortunately. I hate packing this thing in the mountains. But I can't have these things roaming around me freely either. Y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share on that one. I hope you all got to see it. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And tickle that bell. Woo! Big bear country. Walking around on me. Is your mama in here? Or is it just you? Because I ain't worried about just you. I really ain't. It's that 500-pound mama that you got running around with you, I do believe. Because I don't think you're 2-year-old yet. Not yet. She might have just kicked you from the nest. Man. Bears. Gotta love them. My wife will be like, oh. I guess most people would have been done with Yogi the Bear roaming around. But I'm not. I can't be. That's the problem. So, yeah. All I know to do is just rack a shot off in the air if he gets too freaking close to me or something. I mean, pray to God I don't run into mama. I'm up here where I want to be. We just got to keep going up until we either A, run into the big bear, or B, start finding some good sign. So let's go find one or the other, I guess. Well, here's our first piece since the bear incident. It's a Lone Ranger too, it looks like. This is odd. But, oh, I just broke the wall. Can't plant them there. Gotta use my hands. Scratch the ground, throw them in, cover them up. But I have heard a lot of diggers talking about how Ginseng's in bad shape this year as far as growing wise. That the season's gonna come to an end early. So, I mean, I hope not. I like digging up to the middle of October, into October. I mean, and myself, I do. I like finding them big golden boys. I'm going to try to take my wife to Dollywood this winter, see them Christmas lights. We ain't never done that. If anybody knows anything about it, can give me an idea how much that costs, let me know in the comments, please. It's something I think she would enjoy. Let's go see if we can find some more, because we're going to have to leave pretty soon. All right, got us a 3-prong here. Then started scratching back at the edge. Found one back there, and it wasn't even worth digging. Wasn't even worth cutting the camera on. Wasn't even worth striking pneumatic in the ground. You know, you really do gotta practice what you preach. Leave them little ones alone, guys. And I promise you, if you do, you'll have sand to come back and dig. Well, it's got a heck of a curl. It's what you call select fruit. Big old long curls. Alright. Hopefully we can find some more. I'm working my way out. Don't want the sun setting on me. I'm a pretty good ways from home.